It's a simple Python project which is named as game username generator. And we will set two variables. One will be city and we will ask our user to give his input or her. So what will be your question? What city name you open? Our second variable will be pet and we will ask our user to give their input. What's your pet name? Enter results. Your game username is city pet. Now we'll execute the code and here game username generator what city name you grew up in. Okay, so we'll write down Berlin. What's your pet name? My name is Falcon. Your game username could be Berlin Falcon. That's all.